All right, guys, welcome back. We're here at the homepage of the Money Dashboard. As you can see here, our net worth has changed. Our investments are now added in. We've got some goals that are starting to account for because we've added our savings. So things are starting to get more full here. What we're going to do is we're going to add insurance and stock options. Okay. So protection, insurance, we're going to go ahead and add an account. Similar to what you've done before, if you have an online login, great. If not, most insurances are easy to just add in the terms that you have. So we're just going to say I don't have it. We're going to say it's insurance. So if you have term life insurance, for example, we're going to say Jim, term life insurance. You can put in the policy number and life. It's a 30-year term. Jim is insured. Pam is the beneficiary. It was purchased in 2018. Current death benefit is $1.5 million, and the annual premium, we'll say $850. Premium term is the same as the term in this case. So we're going to go ahead and hit save. Now, this expense as well, if you scroll down here, now we have Jim's life insurance. It's going to account for the annual premium as well as an expense, separate from our living expenses. So all insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, renter's insurance, all of those things those costs, if you add them in here, are accounted for separately. So that helps you understand what the living expense number that we need in there. Again, with this, you can easily upload the policy statement that shows all of these terms and has all the info. This is especially helpful in the case that somebody dies, because you have to reach out to the insurance company and let them know that, hey, Pam has to call and say, hey, Jim died and I need to claim the death benefit, and it would have all the information there. So uploading this keeps everything very organized. So you can go ahead and do that for all of the different types of insurance that you have. So we're going to add more. Again, it's just there's a nice little summary. So we're going to add more in the organizer, in the accounts. And we're going to say, hey, I don't have an online login. It's insurance. And we're going to say this is auto. So this is for the Camry. Policy number. Annual premium is $1,200. Whatever your annual renewal date is on that. And then you can say, hey, what's your insured asset? Oh, I need to add one. It's the Camry. Value is $18,000. We're going to add it. Boom. So then it's linked to it. So you can add in all of your coverages here. This is going to be important, and we're going to examine this as we talk in the insurance section. If you know it, add it. If not, we'll talk about it later. For now, we're going to go ahead and hit save. And then boom, we've got more insurance coming in. Again, the premiums are accounted for. The last thing we would add is home insurance or the other types of insurance we have. Okay, so that's it for insurance. Now, we're going to add stock options here. Stock options are a little bit interesting. So we're going to say Dunder Mifflin stock options. Okay. I don't know their ticker. Current stock price, we're going to say it's 35. Now, if you have stock options at a publicly traded company, add in the ticker symbol and it keeps track of the value for you. Okay. If it's a privately traded company and it doesn't have a public valuation, but you should know what the fair market value of the stock is, then you just, for the ticker symbol, it doesn't really matter what you put in there, but you put in the current market valuation. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and save there. Now notice it doesn't tell you what kind of options you have, whether they're restricted stock units, incentive stock options, whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to home and we're going to see here stock options. Oh, hey, there we go. We're going to click into this and we're going to add the details here. So we're going to edit. Okay, so that information is good. And then right down here, we're going to say, hey, there's grants. I got a grant. So we're going to say that this is grant 1 for Jim. It was given in 2020. And these are ISOs, incentive stock options. He got 15,000 shares. Exercise price is the price that you're allowed to buy it at. It's typically discounted. So we're going to say he can buy it at $7 a share. And these expire. So all of these documents should be uploaded. When you signed your stock option agreement, you should have a website where it's all contained, maybe Carta or some other. You're going to find all these details there. First vest date is actually this year. Sorry, it was last year, January 1st. And these vest annually, and it vests over 4 years. So he's going to get these vested out over 4 years. So we'll change this to 12 to make the math easy. Okay, so you're going to add that. That's where all that information goes in. If you have sold any, so if it's a publicly traded company and you've sold some, you're going to say, hey, yeah, I sold 100 shares. So you need to put that so it can account for what you have. And then same thing, if they're restricted stock units, you do the same thing, put in the vesting schedule, put in the number of shares, vesting start date, if it's annual, quarterly, monthly, whatever it is, that's what you would add there. And that's how you add the stock options. So now we've got net worth, we've got investments, we've got goals, we've got insurance added in here, we have stock options, we've got retirement accounts. Jim and Pam are looking really, really good. And the only other thing that we need to talk about really quick as an onboarding is the vault right here. So this vault, like I mentioned, this is where we have all of the documents. Now, when you log in, you'll see many more folders than this. Me, Dave, I can see the shared documents folder. So as we look in here, we've got their pictures that they've uploaded and things like that, okay? But you have many other folders and you can add documents into there. All of your financial documents should be in one spot, easy to find, easy to access in case you need to. And the best thing is you can access it on your phone. So I upload other documents as well. Like when I travel, I upload copies of my passport and I have them saved in here. I have a copy of my driver's license and I have it saved in here so that if I'm out and away, I can just pull up my phone, log in, and we've got it all right there, all the documents you need. So it's really a great place to store it. It's got high security encryption on this, so it is secure. So that pretty much covers what we're going to talk about right now as far as onboarding to the Money Dashboard. If you have any questions, drop comments below, obviously, and we can get those answered. There are some quirks about this software, but all in all, it is pretty good and very helpful to organize things. So we'll stop it there and we'll see you in the next video.
Let's keep your money organized.